Welcome to another session of Microsoft Excel. Hope you're practicing well, hope you're understanding the videos. Let's get started. So, agenda for this particular video is flash fills. Flash fills is the most important and a very easy function to work on. It saves a lot of time of your manual work, and it saves a lot of time, and it avoids a lot of mistakes that you can make while you're working on the sheet. So let's get started. What do we mean by flash fill? It means automatically filling up data in the cells once Excel recognizes the pattern that we want. Okay, suppose, for example, which is given, you can see the screen. If you want first and the last name, which is A column and B column, to come into the C column, suppose the first name is J, the last name is Shastri, and if you want to combine, you can just write J Shastri, and most probably you have to give two, row 2 and row 3, you have to tell Excel, you have to make a pattern so that Excel also understand what you exactly want to do. Okay, and once Excel understand the pattern, it becomes very easy for do. Okay, let's see in Excel. When we see it in the practical scenario, it's much easier to understand rather than just explaining. So let's get started. So this is the that you're working on, right? Always copy the sheet. Always. I have done it. I'm not doing it again, but always copy the sheet. Always, because you don't want to make mistakes. But in this case, you don't need to, because you're working in some other column. Suppose you want column C and column D both to combine. So we'll go to M column. We'll write Passio none. Okay. Next, Passio none. Now Excel understood the pattern that we need. So VTTC. When I write VTT, because it's given in C4, it's VTT. The time I wrote VTT, Excel understood that I want my data in this pattern. And when VTT, just press on page down, your whole data is coming by. This is flash fill. There are multiple things that you can do in this. So what I did was, this I made it into capital letter, product. As you can see, Passio, BTT, everything is into the capital letter. I made like that. And none also, I made it into the capital letter. Suppose we can just let's do multiple examples so that it's absolutely clear. Okay, if we want France and none and the discount band, country and the discount band together, so we'll write France. If we want one dash in between, France none, Mexico none, sorry, none. So now the pattern is decided. The See, it is taking the pattern. Correct. What we can do is, there is a pattern, right? We'll just give one more pattern so that it's absolutely clear. See, it's coming. Let's do it one more time. Okay, so this is France none. Okay, Mexico none. Can you see? It's coming. Control Z. Suppose if I want to not do it with the keyboard, it's just I want to use a shortcut, it's Control E. I just pressed Control plus E. I'll just undo it and show it to you once again. Okay, let's do it. Country is France, discount band is none. Mexico, it's coming. Either you press page down or you click on Control E. You should know all the shortcuts as well. It makes your life easier. Okay. So I have used both. Shown you both via page down also, and the shortcut is Control plus E. Shortcut is Control plus E. Either you can use that and you can use the page down button. Okay. Now let's go to the text. Our PPT. So again, I'll read it to you. Flash fill helps in automatically filling up data in the cells. We just need to, give the pattern to the Excel because it's a machine, but it's a very useful machine and it will help you all in a lot of ways. You will, as you move on with the recordings, whenever you listen, just practice with it so that you don't forget, because these all things will come only with practice. Okay. So flash fill can be used to separate first and the last name from a single column, or combine first and the last name from two different columns. Okay. So this, for the name, there is one more function. We'll learn about it later. Different use, different ways to use flash fill. So Excel understand the pattern. So we can use the copies also, copy function also. Okay. There are two functions. We have learned multiple ways to do it, flash fills. Let's see. We'll just remove this again. If you want, if we want discount band and we want sales. Okay. None. 8235. Just check if there is any spelling mistake you are making. If you will make the spelling mistake in the first scenario, it will not work. The mistake that I made, I'll just show it to you. See, instead of writing NONE, I write NONW. It will not work because you have to give the right pattern to Excel. Because Excel will continuously keep check that where is NONW, and if Excel will not be able to find, you will not be able to count. So yeah, this is about flash fill. And if you want to know more about, go to support.microsoft.com, and if you have time, there is a course on Microsoft Excel in Microsoft Learn. It's an amazing course, and if you want to learn more, just take the course. Thank you.